All right, you know what? I'll man up and say it. I was totally wrong about these glasses. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So yeah, like I said, I have to give it to you guys in the comments and just admit it. I was wrong. These glasses have actually been so much better than I originally anticipated. Look-wise, we've already known how well these features work on these Meta glasses. That's nothing new at this point. However, I really have to say the look of these transparent frames definitely has grown on me. So that's not to say they're perfect. Feature-wise, quality-wise, we know they are great. That doesn't get impacted by these limited edition frames. But the attention to detail on here, and I'll show you in a minute, these have been a looker for sure. So I call them safety glasses in our original unboxing video. I digress. I went and bought a pair of safety glasses and tried them on in comparison. No, these blow them out of the water. That transparent look is just so clean, and the way it's implemented really is eye-catchy. Now, that's not to say these are perfect by any means. I stand by what I said earlier in regards to the actual transparent lenses. This is a new style. It's supposed to transition a lot quicker than what the prior gens did. However, I still find that they do not get super dark for my liking. That is something I would like to see changed, possibly in another generation or so. Now, the attention to details that I was talking about is awesome. Not only in the case are these numbered, but I'm going to try to put these right up here. You can see, hopefully, that they actually say limited edition and the number of the actual frame itself. So these are actually going to be limited 4346 out of 5500. So here is what a lot of you guys want to see, and that is exactly how it looks in direct sunlight, bright, and just how tinted these lenses get. So as you can see, I'll zoom in a little bit. It is definitely good. However, it is still transparent to an extent where you can see through and see your eyes. So if you like not to be able to be visible, these shades might not be for you. However, again, as the light decreases down here, it will lighten up again and again become even more transparent than it was before. So again, I do think they look good. I really do wish that this would be a little darker in color, but again, the frames knock it out of the picture. They knock it out of the park. I really do like them more than I thought. So just looking in the video, and it's hard to really be able to see perfectly in this little screen on the Osmos Pocket, but you can definitely see your eyes. It's just not as dark as what I would prefer personally. Everything else about this design does look really, really good. So what do you guys think? Is it a sell for all of you guys? Is it a must-have? I know a lot of people aren't fans that this is built on a medium frame only, not a large. I will say it's tight, but it is not too tight. It fits very well. They're not going to shake off and fall. I don't have an overly large face, and these mediums actually do look good on somebody of this stature, as well as my daughter, who I put them on, who's 8, and they actually even looked good on her. So that was somewhat surprising, but awesome to see as well. So not going to drag this one out. I definitely think it's a great deal if you like these limited edition frames with that transparent look and the transition lenses. Let us know in the comments down below. Are you picking one up, or what do you think of these new limited edition Ray-Bans? We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.